Who wants 1 million rewards in literally 10 seconds? Who wants to have 1 million sins forgiven in 10 seconds? And who wants to gain a palace in Jannah through 10 seconds? It's a hadith in Tirmidhi. It's with a good chain. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he said, whosoever goes to the marketplace. So marketplace anywhere. There's market stones, the shopping, whatever people are busy with, dunya and so on. You pass by there. You don't even have to go to the market to buy something. You pass by there and you say the following words. You say,
لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
that will take you about 10 seconds to say. In one instant, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, Alfa Hasana, you get 1 million good deeds there and then. You get 1 million sins forgiven there and then, and Allah will create for you and He will make for you a house in Jannah.